How to fix Outlook sync issues. So in order to fix that, you need to open up the Outlook app. Right now I'm opening up a browser, but you may just open an Outlook app and log into your account. So in order to fix that, maybe that is because you haven't updated your Outlook. So what you can do is just update your Outlook and see if that method works or not. So another thing is, I want you to open up your settings. After opening up your settings, go to apps. You can see these apps at the left side. You may just find it on your settings. Just open up apps, and after going on apps, look up for Outlook. If you have downloaded the app, after that just reset that app. You can find that app under apps and features. That just reset that app and see if that fixes our issue or not. And the last thing I want you to do is restart your computer, and for sure one of the method is gonna work in order to fix your Outlook sync issues. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.